Let's visit WalkingStreet, Pattaya, Thailand. As you can tell, he is going pretty fast, and I'm not wearing a helmet. We're on a taxi bike to WalkingStreet. Taxi bikes are significantly cheaper than taxis in Pattaya. Taxi bikes can cost between 50 to 100 baht around Pattaya city. They cost around 150 to 250 baht from central Pattaya to Jomtien. This depends on the time of the day and the season. You can hop on a bike taxi at a taxi stand or use an app to book one. You can use apps like Line Yugo and Drive Grab, Bolt or Tata to book rides. We found out the most popular was Grab. Bolt was the cheapest. Tata was generally cheaper than Grab and had friendlier drivers and riders. We usually use Tata. We prefer taxi bikes as they can zip through traffic. But if safety is a concern, then please stick to regular cars. Traffic is already building up. This is why I take a bike taxi. It's late at night. Even though it's 2 a.m., there's still plenty of life. Lots of people are still out. We're almost there. We hopped off near the entrance. I want to let you see the entrance of WalkingStreet. And the traffic was getting really heavy. This road is the famous beach road. There are many food vendors here. Grab a snack before you party. Cannabis push cart. There's the entrance. The roads are wet cause of Songkran. Some people are wet or covered with powder. Here we go. Did you see that guy? He was just caked with powder. So the water fights are still going on. People are dancing on the street. The street is full of life. WalkingStreet Pattaya is a very popular nightlife destination in Thailand. It's around 750 meters long. There are bars and clubs on both sides of the street. No vehicle access is allowed from 9 p.m. to 3 a.m. daily. WalkingStreet has many go-go bars. I can see mostly male tourists here. However, there are still around 30% female tourists. Not like WalkingStreet Angeles City in Philippines, where 99% of the tourists are men. Pattaya also receives local tourists from nearby Bangkok. This makes it a much more enjoyable place. The street is not as dead as the one in Angeles City. It's almost 3 a.m. and everyone is still partying. WalkingStreet also has many side alleys, or soys as they call them here. We just passed Soy 15. .808 is a famous hip-hop club. Here's the famous Soy Diamond. It is popular among Japanese and Korean tourists. People are running from the water sprays. I'm getting sprayed too. More female tourists. It's so lively here. Someone threw water at us. Wow. We're being attacked. This is fun. Or as the Thais say, Sanuk Mak. This girl is even spraying the police. Next soy is the infamous BJ Alley. Not sure why it got its name. It seems to have more food carts. That's a relief. Here's a cannabis cafe. This used to be the famous marine disco. As you can hear from the audio, we've been sprayed again. Hot Tuna is a famous open bar. It has many smaller bars inside. Drinks are cheaper than most places in WalkingStreet. One thing you must note, WalkingStreet drinks are generally more expensive than other parts of Pattaya. On my right is the famous club Insomnia. It's usually very crowded. It used to close at 6 a.m., hence the name. However, since COVID it closes at 3 a.m. daily. I'm glad to see Pattaya is still just as fun even after COVID. That girl smacked my butt. This kid just threw water at these girls. The fun never stops. We're not even at the end yet, but I'm already drenched. Oh, that's a lady boy. There seem to be more Indian clubs here. More club touts too. Another lady boy. The crowd has thinned out. I must be reaching the end. Yeah, that's about it. Bonus clip. I found this huge 7-Eleven. Let's check it out. It looks so cool and trendy. It has a big parking space. There seems to be a commotion. There are 4 Indian guys arguing with this lady. Let's help her out. Be right back. I'm back. I'm sure you guys want to know what happened. Story time. I managed to save the girl. The end. Just kidding. A security guard came and shooed them off. I did not even do anything. I'm now on a taxi bike home. Only 50 baht to my hotel in Soi 6. I'm wet, but I had fun. I can't wait to hit the shower once I'm back. Then crawl into bed and enjoy my snacks from 7-Eleven and watch a movie on the telly. There's hardly any traffic, so we're going pretty fast. Again, no helmet on, but I'm still recording the things I do for my viewers. It's 3 a.m. and there are still some open bars. Cute chic on my right. We're almost there. Meet Trick. We're here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, follow, and subscribe. See you on our next video.